Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make cool things like this. So if you want a background like this, so just go to background, choose image, then search wall for in the search. And then there's all these different ones that you can choose. And if you have Bitmoji, that's fun too. You can go ahead and drag one in. And as you can see, I have another slide. If you go to present mode, you can tap on me and then it brings you to the next slide. And as proof, it says 2, because that's the number 2 slide. So I think it's really neat. And it even says down here slide 2 and it brings it to you. I think that's really neat, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to just use the same one. I'm going to delete it a little later. Sorry about that, guys. But we're going to get that and then hit insert, link, and then slides in this presentation. Maybe that, apply, then hit present, and then wow, it just leads me to that slide that I clicked on. I think this is just really neat and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Bye guys.